Oh, hi, fourth graders. It's Miss Quinn with the fourth grade team. And this screencast is going to show you a little bit about some digital tools that you can access at home with your families. There might be even maybe someone in your family right now wants to watch this and kind of learn along with you. So, I want to show you a few things that you can get to without even logging in the next two videos, I'm going to be showing you some workplace games. And I know you don't have all the math tools like we have at school, but we have a digital version. So let me show you. All right, if you go to mathlearningcenter.org, it's going to take you to this screen. Lots of good info here, but I'm going to show you about two main things: the math apps and this one right here, home learning. So let's go to math apps first. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to a place that shows you a bunch of different free math apps or digital tools is what I like to call them. So there's like a geo board, clocks, number frames, number line, number rack, pattern shapes. Like, let's just go to pattern shapes for a minute. So when you click on it, you're going to want to say open web app. And once you click on that, look how fun you can just drag them over and you can turn them. You can make pictures, you can make patterns. Maybe you're thinking of different ways to make a hexagon. You can use a trapezoid. You're thinking about how the rhombus fits in there. You can turn it around. So anyway, it might just be fun to like explore and have fun with these, but also your teachers might ask you to do certain things with these tools. So now you know where to find them. Again, that is called Math Apps. The next thing I want to show you is about home learning. All right, so when you click on that, you're going to click fourth grade and you're going to see some options up here. Activities of the day, changes every day, fun things you can do, practice pages, kind of like our Bridges student workbooks, family games, some great ideas for games. A game I'm actually going to be explaining in a little bit is on there. And there's also online games. But I want to talk about family games because, I want to talk to you a little bit about workplace games and games in general. They're super fun and they're really important for you to still be doing. When you're doing games, you're practicing all those important math skills. And not just math skills, but a lot of times you're doing a lot of problem solving and a lot of other good skills that we want you to be doing. So I had this, I'm trying to get this puzzle for my my family. We love puzzles. But anyway, the funny thing about this puzzle is it's all different board games. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to remind you and your family, any board game that you can play, do it. And like some of these math workplace games, ones you've even learned before, they might, you might need dice or you might need cards. Well, if you don't have them laying around your house, although you might if you look carefully, but if you don't have them laying around your house, you can always make something like cards with index cards and just write numbers on them. You can use sticky notes or just some like scrap paper and cut it into, some rectangles and you have cards. Dice, there's also like if you type in virtual dice, let's see if I have that open. Hmm. I just had one. That's not it. All right, well, let me type it in. One moment here. Virtual dice roll. Oh, look, you can see I've been looking that up, huh? Okay, so here it is. I can just say roll again, and oh, look, I've got the number 2. It's really neat. This one, for example, you can say like 2 dice at one time. Maybe you're gonna, oh, it would be fun. You could like use these two and you could make it a multiplication problem. 4 times 2 is 8. You can use 3 and you could make it like in our game I'm going to show you later. You could do something with place value and you could use these 3 numbers, 1, 4, and 5, and you could think about all the different numbers you could make. Lots of things. Anyway, the last thing I wanted to show you though, right here, where it says online games. So when you click on that and you go to fourth grade, some of these you need like Adobe Flash, and I actually don't have those installed right now on my computer, but these two are really fun. There's fractions, and this is like fraction fling, I think it takes you to. I don't know if you've played this before, but I'm going to show you real quick. So, okay, so you look at the fraction. So right now, 2 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shaded. So it's 2/6. So what you would do is you would find this rock and you would catapult it to the bubble of the answer. So here we have 1/6. 1/6 is shaded. So then what you do is you come down here. Oh, I know, I just passed it. Don't worry. I get this. Let me just get my slingshot. Oh, I think I'm too late. Hang on. Get the swing of things, but like I got it now. Okay, let me just wait for one. Nope, it wasn't 2/3. Oh, there it is. And let me try. Yes. It's really fun. Okay, another one is this like bingo board. That's really fun. And then we can always practice our multiplication, right? So this one, let me show you this. You use the arrow keys and the space bar. And what they do is they you can type your name in. This is Quinn. Okay, so what they do is they give you the number, and you're like, oh, I get 4. Oh, that's 6. 2 times 2. Oh boy. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, different ways to get this, but yep, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, you get the swing of it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you again. Oops. I wanted to show you again that these were 2 things that you could, whenever you have some free time or whenever you need them, these digital tools are here for you. Click under Resources, Math Apps, or under Home Learning, and the website I'm on again is mathlearningcenter.org. All right, have fun.